Alrighty, today I'm going to be showing you some different features of the Stewart Library search engines. The first thing we're going to start off with is the catalog, so that is going to be this yellow button right here. So for the catalog, we're just going to click Advanced Search, and different types of things you can find on the catalog is physical items that can actually be found in the library. So DVDs, books, CDs, maps, stuff like that. And this does not include articles or electronic resources. So normally what you would do is you can search by different options here. You could do keywords, article, you can do authors, and you can also do like synonyms, or you can exclude things from when you're searching. There's also just different ways you can limit your search, examples of like things you were looking for, like videos or audio recordings. You can search the different collections here, and then you can also filter by language, or the main campus, or the Davis campus. And then we're going to go back to the library homepage. And the next thing we're going to look at is the article databases, which is going to be the blue button right here. So say we are looking for an article on technology and education. I would start with advanced search because that makes the most sense. It's definitely the wider thing. And here you're going to find mainly articles and a few other things like reports or encyclopedia entries, maybe even book chapters. And there's different databases for different types of topics. So here we normally want to go to advanced search, and this is going to require you to log in normally with your Weber State ID. And there's also different ways we can filter this. We can do full text, or we can do like scholarly peer-reviewed journals. We can also filter by publication date if we want it to be more recent. And then you can also, we could do academic journals because that's probably the kind of thing you'd want to look for your article. And then here you can also either like select different fields, or here I'm just going to search like technology and education. And look, it even pulls up different search options for here. Let's just start with like technology in the classroom for an example. We're just hit search. And then this is going to pull up a bunch of different options. As you can see, there's over 3,000 options here. And then we can also, again, limit our search engine by certain things. We can do full text, or like I said, scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Publication dates, obviously, we want to make that a lot more recent. And that is a certain way that you can start your research easily for your article. And there is also different types of databases, as I said, for different things. Say if you were looking for something in like nursing or medical related, you could use Medline. There's just different options here. And that would be a great way, probably the way I'm going to start looking for my research articles. And then next we're going to go back to the home page, and we're going to go to OneSearch. And I just like to click on it from right there normally. So OneSearch has different things as well. You're going to pretty much find anything available in the catalog. You're going to find databases or other parts, like things on other parts of the library website. Again, we'll click Advanced. And again, there's just different filters. You can do any type. There's different disciplines or topics you could do here. So maybe if we wanted to do like education or technology, you can limit to peer-reviewed publications, which is again something you'd probably want to do for your research article. And that is basically things you'll find in OneSearch. Then we're going to go back just to the library homepage one more time. And then we're going to look at the different help options available. So there is several options that are available when people are needing assistance with library materials. There's Ask a Librarian right here, and they have their like office hours when they're available. There's also Text a Librarian, which is probably pretty convenient for college students. The Call a Librarian option isn't available anymore because of COVID, but then there's email. You can have someone who you can have a student help you searching for articles, and then also consulting a subject librarian would also probably be helpful when finding information on your topic.